Meet Sophie, a dedicated software developer from the bustling tech hub of Austin, Texas. Like many, she found herself grappling with unwanted weight gain and a general sense of ill health that seemed relentless. Despite her active lifestyle and health-conscious efforts, nothing worked. Keto was buzzing everywhere, yet Sophie couldn't fathom jumping on another diet bandwagon. But it was during a casual coffee with her longtime friend Mike when the topic sprung up again. His enthusiasm and personal success story with keto piqued her interest. Little did she know, this conversation was about to revolutionize her world. With a mix of apprehension and excitement, Sophie took the plunge into the world of keto. Transforming her pantry became the first real challenge. Gone were the days of cereals and bread, in came avocados, cheeses, and meats. Alongside the dietary overhaul, Sophie dove into the online realm of keto enthusiasts. Here, she found not just recipes, but real-time support and shared struggles. The keto flu hit her hard, a test of her resolve. Feeling sluggish and irritable, Sophie remembered her promise to Mike. Despite feeling at her worst, she was determined to push through, fueled by supportive voices from her newfound community. 3 exhilarating months into her keto journey, Sophie saw changes that she hadn't dared hope for. During a routine morning run at Zilker Park, the reality of her transformation dawned on her. Breathless not from exhaustion but from excitement, she could actually feel her body lighter and more responsive. That very weekend, a dusty dress from the back of her closet finally embraced her figure again, the fabric slipping comfortably around her now slender frame. Tears of joy and disbelief filled her eyes as her family gathered around, their expressions of awe and pride igniting a profound sense of accomplishment within her. As Sophie reflects on her journey, the joy and pride in her voice are unmistakable. The ketogenic path not only reshaped her body but also brought immeasurable clarity and vitality to her mind. Eager to share her learnings, Sophie advises newcomers on the importance of community and persistence. Her future, brightly lit with goals of wellness and balance, promises yet more adventures and achievements. Firm in her commitment to maintain her newly embraced keto lifestyle, Sophie is grateful for the courage that led her to start. She faces forward, ready for life's next challenge, her health forever her priority.